going to be making breakfast today. Fresh eggs. Having potatoes to make hash browns, right? And then on that we're going to put some ham. And then we have two different kinds of cheese. This is what I used yesterday, Monterey Jack cheese. Havarti cheese I also got. And then on this side we have fruits and drinks. That's what we got. Let's get started. Start with peeling the potatoes. These are red potatoes. I'm going to fill this up with hot water. So you always got to finger the potatoes a little bit to get all the white stuff out. And you can see that if you're fingering the potatoes and the water stays clear, then all the white stuff has come out. Squeeze all the water out. Potatoes nice and dry. Some pepper. Put some salt. Put a little bit of butter. It'll cool down the overall temperature. See how it goes when I want to flip it over. But I like to put a little bit of space between the edge of the pan and the hash brown. I need to cut the ham. Cut them up into little squares. You always use bacon as well. Bacon's nice. I guess there's a lot of different ways to cut an avocado. This is the way that I do it. Cut around like that. Cut it open. And then if you want to save a piece, if you're only going to use half the avocado, you use this piece and save this one. Because the avocado will stay good because of this thing in it. Yep, completely fell apart. We're getting a hot shower. Alright, I'm going to cut the like this. I'm just kidding, we're not going to do that. Our mouths are big enough. Let's cut the plums. Okay, this looks pretty good. So now, we should be able to cook this all in one go. Yeah, nice. Look at that. Yeah, nice. It smells pretty good too. Late a week ago. Thank you, Azul. Frida, 824. Thank you, Frida. You can kind of make it into an omelet if you shaped it that way. Look.